Hello my dear students, this is Akash HD and welcome to the ASD physics classes. So dear students, I hope so you all are doing very good because lot of exams are coming, board exam is coming, J exam is coming, and after that NEET exam is also coming. Okay, so keep preparing very well and take the help from my channel also, because here number of videos of ray optics and other topics also available. Okay, so today we are going to see the derivation of mirror formula, and for this derivation we are going to use the which mirror? You can see I have drawn here the concave mirror, because most of the time in board exam they will ask the mirror formula by the concave mirror. Okay, so kindly make sure that in our syllabus the kind of mirror is which kind? It should be as less curved as possible, that means as straight as possible, not completely straight, very less curved, so that the approximation of the ray optics should be valid. Okay, and here I have taken which mirror? We have taken here the concave mirror. Okay, so what will happen that here for concave mirror focal length will be always negative. How I am telling it is always negative? Because please remember that here in our syllabus what is there, whenever the single mirror or lens is there, the ray should be always from which side to which side? Left side to right side. Okay, so this side positive and this side negative. This is the pole of the mirror, this is the center of curvature of the mirror. Why? Because this mirror, if we take one sphere, this will be which side? Left side. That means this is the center of that imaginary sphere from which the mirror is the part. Okay, now we know very well in case of mirror focal length formula is how much? F equal to R by 2, and it is valid for which mirror? As less curved as possible. There only this formula is valid. Okay, so this is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature. So pole to focus distance is what? F, and the pole to center of curvature distance is what? This is called R. Okay, now our base is ready. Now we have to identify the position of the image. For that we need how many rays? We need the 2 rays. Okay, so I will just take here the object. No? The object is here. No? I have taken the object here. No? Okay, somewhat more distance we will take here. No? The object is here. No? Object is here. A, B. So what will happen that here? First ray I will just strike at pole. No? And let's take at the pole it is making angle theta. So this is the angle of incidence, and we know what is the mirror conditions are there. Angle of incidence and angle of reflection will be always same. So what will happen that here one ray will go making angle how much? It will make angle theta. Now angle of incidence and angle of reflection is same. So our one ray is ready. After that another ray I will make it parallel to the principal axis. So this ray should pass through where? This ray should pass through the focus. Okay, so I have to be very careful, you have to be also very careful, so that the image should form between F and C, because object is beyond C. Okay, so what will happen that here? This ray I will take here. Okay, and I have taken like this. Now please make it straight. Now it should be straight. I am trying to make it as straight as possible. Okay, so here what will happen? Here the image is forming, and here I am telling here this image is what? A dash B dash. Okay, now our image is ready. So when we are going to write the derivation, we have to write the introduction that will appear on your screen, and we will only do here the mathematical part. So first what we are going to do, we are going to take some triangles here by the similarity. So first I am going to take the triangle. In triangle ABP and A dash B dash P, see it very well. Which triangle I am talking about here? ABP and A dash B dash P. Okay, here I am going to write the tan theta value. What value? Tan theta. Tan theta is given by opposite by adjacent. So in this triangle ABP, opposite is AB, adjacent is PB. So I will write here AB by PB equal to, now in this triangle A dash B dash P, what is tan theta? Again opposite by adjacent, so A dash B dash by PB dash. What I am writing? A dash B dash by PB dash. Okay, now after that if I will write here A dash B dash by AB, how much? Can you see here? See from here it will become here PB dash by PB. Okay, PB dash by PB, this is equation 1. Okay, now after that I am going to take another condition. You can see one more triangle is here. See here, this is one triangle. This I will take angle phi. and this angle also phi. Okay, so I am going to take the triangle here, this one triangle and this one triangle, but you will ask, sir, this is not a triangle, here some curve is there. That's why I have told you we have to take as less curved as possible. So what I will do here, I have taken here, this point is N, and we'll draw here one perpendicular here. No? And you can see if this is as less curved as possible, then point M, that perpendicular, is very close to P. That means point M and point P, we can consider what? Both at the same place. So whenever we will take the distance, we will take all the distances from P only. Okay? So now I am going to take the triangle, this one here, NMF. See here please. In triangle NMF, and here this triangle A dash B dash F. Okay, see here please, very well, very easy. If you one time you understand the derivation, you will never forget. Okay, so what triangles I have taken here? This triangle and this triangle. After that, see here please, this angle is this angle, which angle? Vertically opposite angle. Okay, so I will write here tan phi from both the triangles here. I have to save some space also, so tan phi. So see here please, here in this triangle, what is the tan phi? NM by MF. What is there? NM by MF. And you can see very well, this NM is equal to AB. Yes or no? In a triangle. So this NM I will write AB, and this MF I will write PF, because this mirror is as less curved as possible. Okay. So one triangle is done. After that we will see one more triangle here. See this triangle. What is there here? Tan phi opposite by adjacent. So A dash B dash by what to write? FB dash. A dash. No, let me change the chalk here. A dash B dash by what is this? FB dash. FB dash. This one we have got. No? Here also I can put into the bracket. This is the main conditions we have got. After that, again, what to write here? I can write here. See here please. A dash B dash by AB. What will come? A dash B dash by AB. It will come FB dash by PF. No? Can you check out please? FB dash by PF. Okay. Now here we can see FB dash. This FB dash is given by PB dash minus PF. What I can tell? PB dash minus PF. See here please, here PB dash minus PF. After that, this is PF only. Is it? And this one I have take it equation 2. So you can see in both the equations, this equation and this equation, left side part is same, so right side part will be also same. So what we can write? From 1 and 2. Okay, here what is there? See please, PB dash by PB. Okay, so let me write here, PB dash by PB is equal to this side. Can you check out here? This one, PB dash minus, yes, PF by what is this? PF. Okay, now I am going to put the values. Okay, now see this here. Please make sure that very well all the distances will be negative. F is negative, R is negative. Where is the object? Object is here. So object is given by which length? Let me write here. The object, this object, no, this object. This object, pole to the object distance is given by what? It is given by U. And pole to the image distance, it is given by V. And you can see here, this U and V will be also negative according to the sign convention. Na? So we'll write all the things with sign convention. So see here please, here PB dash. What is PB dash? P to B dash. Which distance? V. So we'll write here minus V. Similarly PB, P to B, this is the object distance. So minus U. No? Minus U is equal to again PB dash minus V. PF. PF is what? Focal length. Plus or minus? Concave mirror. Minus. Okay. So this is a minus by again PF minus F. Okay. Now after that, let me write here. No? So what will happen that here? This minus minus will cancel out. So we can write here V by U is equal to here minus V plus F by minus F. Okay. Now we will do what? We will do the cross multiplication. So just take it this side here. No? Just take it this side here. It will become minus VF is equal to minus U into V plus UF. Okay. Now what I will do in next step, I will just divide both the sides by UVF. Na? Very shortcut, very shortcut. So what I will done here, in the next step, I have divided with the UVF here. Okay. So here itself I am writing here UVF. Here also UVF. Here also UVF. Okay. So what will happen that here? Just kindly check out please here. VF cancel out. So what is coming here? Minus 1 by U is equal to UV cancel. So what is coming? Minus 1 by F. And plus here UF cancel. So what will come here? 1 by V. Okay. Now after that, if we simplify this, so after simplification, what is coming here? Just check out very here. We are getting 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to what? 1 by F. And what is this? This is the mirror formula. Okay. And this formula is applicable for the all kinds of mirror. Concave mirror is there, convex mirror is there, na? Any kind of mirror. Na? So we have got here. After that, students, we will see one more thing here. I will teach you magnification also. Okay. Just let me write here the magnification. Na? Magnification. And I hope so you remember the formula also. Magnification means ratio of height of image to the height of object. So here please. M equal to height of image by height of object. Height of the image how much here? A dash B dash. Height of the object how much here? AB. So we can write here A dash B dash by AB. And see here please. Here what we know? PB dash by PB. Okay. So we can write here PB dash by PB. Okay. So students here please. This M equal to what is PB dash? PB dash. PB dash. Image distance minus V. PB minus U. So what you write here? Minus V by minus U. So what this will come here? It will come M equal to V by U. Okay. But we have to remember one more formula. General formula please here. So that you can use always M equal to V by U. And here F by F minus U or F minus V by F. How we get this formula? We get this formula with the help of this equation and this mirror formula. Okay. So students, you can see very well in how much easy mannered way we have proved which mirror formula. Okay. So dear students, I hope so you have understood this very well. This one will come surely in a board exam. Very higher chances are there it used to come in a board exam. Okay. So dear students, if you have understood the video, kindly share to my, kindly subscribe, no? Kindly subscribe to my channel, and you can share with your friends also. Okay. And keep learning and keep growing because exams are coming. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care.